One more quick task while the carpet is drying. I got some multi-purpose glue here. I don't have a tile to match this. So what I'm thinking is I'm just gonna glue it down, and then what I'll do is I'll fill it with some, probably the same glue, and paint it. And then I should be able to do a pretty good match. We'll see, I don't know. We'll see how it turns out. One brick. See if that does the trick. Don't suppose it can hurt. Budget camper build's coming along great now, and it's been some time. I let my glue cure to do our floor patch here. I've added another coat of just contact cement, and it's now level at the top. It could have been just a tiny bit flatter, but not bad, not bad, all things considered. And then what I'm gonna do, arts and crafts time. The plan is to just see if I can whip up some paint here that looks half reasonable and just dab it in place. And it's not going to be a good match. I'm not an artist or very good with colors, but I'll take a stab at it and just see how well we do. There's some brown. There'll be a brown component, I'm guessing, and a gray. I don't know, that's silver. There's some white. Yeah, white will do. And yeah, we'll just mix something up. We'll just play around, and I'll come back once I've dabbed some on there, and I think this will be plenty. Better than refinishing the floor for me at this stage. I don't have the time or the budget for it, and this is the only damage in the whole floor. I think that'll be just fine when we're done.
Saving her life. In fairness to yourself, you were also dying because of it.
You know I didn't want to be saved.
It was interesting. Her eye was low, but not enough to cause impression.
So you came in to tell me that even if I can't walk, I can still hear the birds sing, enjoy a rainbow, the feeling of sunshine on my face.
Those things are fun. Okay, life sucks. Your life sucks more than most. It's not as bad as some, which is personal by itself. Do me a favor. Just let me find out what's wrong with you. And if you want to kill yourself, we can do a hand. Does that sound fair?
Yeah, sure. I'll stick around and indulge your obsession. It's over. I lost my air. The session the other night with those kids, that was a test to see if I could still believe. I can't.
And that's all you are? A musician?
I got one thing. Same as you.
Alrighty, at a glance, that's not too bad. That's without having to change the whole darn floor. That's just some base coats of some mix that I made with all these acrylics that I got, and nothing to it really. I am no artist, but that will do. If you step way back, I'm willing to bet that's hardly even noticeable. Not bad. I think I can live with that. It's definitely not perfect. The right way would be to rip that floor out and change it, obviously, but today I am quite happy with that. A little bit of white in the highlights you saw me do, and then the gold as the kind of in the valleys, and that looks all right. That's not bad. If it was just slightly more 2D instead of raised up just that little bit where it heaved, I think it would be nearly a perfect match. So for me, good enough. I hope that helps someone. think if I ever had to do that again, I'd probably put the color right into the glue and just mix it up. And I was going to use 2-part epoxy early on. I didn't want it hard to remove, so I think even with that contact cement from Dollar Store, I could probably put the paint right in it. But hope that helps someone. It's nice and simple. I'm super happy with the results, the before and the after. It works for me. So for the budget camper build, we're good to go. Cheers, guys.